Can we read the Buggy book?
It's not in the Buggy book.
Will you read the Buggy book?
Oh.
Oh, who is that? Who is that one?
Bumblebee?
Hey, who is this? Who is that?
Cat.
Cat in the Hat. That's very good. Let's look at our Buggy book now, okay? What is that big bug right there? What is that, Malachi? What is that? What is this?
Pictures.
Pictures, that's right. What is this?
Praying mantis?
Praying mantis, very good. How about this one?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. And how about this one right here? What is that one?
Grasshopper?
Very good. How about this one? How about this one right here, Malachi? Ladybug. Very good. Can I have a high five? That's an I-5. Can I have a high five? There we go. I love you. Can you tell Mommy Nikki is
cute.
Nikki is cute, and we love him. Say good night.
The cat.
Cat in the Hat. Say good night.
Say good night.
Good night.